Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is a part 3 of our vlog. Kanang kainan, eating contest. Charot. Uh, fried fried fish, galunggong, paborito ng mga Pinoy. Yan. This one is debone already. Debone, mayroon na yung wala na yung tinik. Ito, mayroon pang tinik ito. This one is baka, inasal na baka. Roasted cup, and then our famous in Visayas, Philippines, we call this the mais, corn rice, the corn. Then Royal Royals, sana naman, charot, at saka sana naman Japanese tea, uh, commercial break, Royal Royals and tea from Japan. Ayan, sponsor, charot. Walang sponsor dito. Go pip pip. Kaya mo na tayo. Sarap. Napakasarap ng fish. At saka yung mais, oh. Grabe. Baka with rice, corn. Yan. Baka si. Let's eat the head of the fish. It's very crunchy. Harap. So continue tayo, guys, while eating. Shout out tayo. Yan. Kayo na. Dito tayo kay Kuan kayo na, ha. Si Ma'am Happy Homes. Yan. Happy Homes and Beauty. Yan. Saka si Carl Heinz lang. Dito tayo kayo na. Naputol. Tapos Filipina music lover. Shout out, ma'am. Magaling kumanta yan. Cool na cool yan. Kasi Hannah Tube. Sa Tube. Christy Nicola. Gamer. Shout out, ma'am. This one is Xoja Jaya. Yan, bago yan. New subscriber ita. Thank you for your time for watching my video. Sa Simple Beauty. Simple video. Shout out. Yan. Ito si Budoy Palad. Magaling magkanta. Cover singer. Shout out. And then we have ito si Yuga. Uncle Yuga. He's using the support system, backup support system. Kagaya ko, mayroon maraming backup support na mga YT channels. Yan. Ito pa si Ma'am Soul Food Queen. Yan. Shout out, ma'am. Kasi simple video. Tapos na ngayon, ha. Si Sophie na tayo. Sophie. Tapos na yan si Uncle Yuga. Ito si from Indonesia. Jackie Mapingke. Yan. Jackie Mapingke. Shout out. Then support Miss Pink 9 Lover she has only 46 subscriber. Please support, guys. I think she's from America. Yeah. She's an American. Ito si Sophie. Tapos ito yata Sophie. Yan. So, mamaya, kain muna tayo. Gutom. So, food trip tayo ng fish. Yan. Okay. Sarap, oh. Isang hamurang. Mm, 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 mm. Nabilaw ka na ko sa mais. Anyway, meron din yung kuan yan. Support system, water support system. Saka may tea yan, may soft drinks pa, di ba? Walang bilak-bulak. Shout out. Saracen. Yan. Nakawak ako sa camera, sorry. Samsai channel, gaming channel. Shout out. We have also the Berka channel, yan. And then my only what do you call this? Member, yan. YouTube member. I always play Ma'am Patimas kuan live streaming 1 hour to kuan. So nito yung iba yung ibang ang tawag do. I use the other channel to play her kuan videos, the Jose Russell Laurenti channel. That's my channel. I'm using now my wife's channel, Lisa Laurenti. These are channels, Lisa and Jose. Anyway, she's my only member of YouTube. That's why palangga ko siya. I always play the live videos 1 hour, 3 hours a day to 4 hours. Yan. Okay. Thank you ma'am for be my member. Okay. Baka gusto nyo, maybe you want to be a member. Ma'am Fatima, lacking on the watch hour. She already reached the subscribers 1,300. Yan, 1,300 na siya. So she's only the watch hour, guys. I always play the live videos so that she will reach the goal to become a monetized of our YouTube kwan. Yun, sa YouTube. So thank you for watching. This is part 3 of our video. Next video naman tayo, guys.